Trappist-1a. 39 light-years away, it is a red dwarf star with 12 times less mass than the Sun. The discovery of 7 Trappist-1 planets with stable orbits, some of them falling in the habitable zone, has led many to speculate if Trappist-1 could be home to life. The 7 planets are tidally locked to their star Trappist-1a, meaning the same side always faces that star, just like the same side of the Moon always faces Earth. Trappist-1b is the closest planet to its star, and it orbits 100 times closer than the Earth orbits the Sun. It takes only a day and a half to complete one orbit. Trappist-1c is the most massive planet in the system at 1.6 times the Earth mass. It is possible the planet is home to life, but like Trappist-1a, it is most likely too hot for life to exist, with temperatures averaging 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Trappist-1d is in between the mass of Earth and Mars. It is within the habitable zone of its host star, but research suggests that a runaway greenhouse effect similar to that of Venus may have happened on the planet. Still, because it is tidally locked, the side that always faces the Sun is likely extremely hot, whereas the side in perpetual darkness is likely very cold, but the terminator line that runs between these two sides may be habitable for life. Here you can see a visual size comparison of Trappist-1d and Earth. Trappist-1e falls in the habitable zone and may be the best candidate for life in the Trappist-1 system. Like the other planets, it is tidally locked and may depend on an atmosphere to transfer heat from the side facing the star to the side not facing the star. Trappist-1f is an extraordinary planet that is likely 20% water by mass. The Earth, by comparison, is just 0.05% water by mass, although water covers about 70% of the surface. Trappist-1f may be very different than Earth in fact, because its chemical composition and atmospheric pressure suggests that most of the water exists in vapor. It is also at the outer edge of the habitable zone and may contain solid ice. Trappist-1g has similar size and mass to Earth, making its gravity just slightly more than the Earth's gravity. With equilibrium temperatures of -100 degrees Fahrenheit, it is likely not home to life. Trappist-1h is the farthest planet from its Sun. Any water would likely be frozen, but it's possible internal forces could heat ice volcanoes. The Trappist-1 planets are extraordinary because they could have liquid water, rain, and possibly even life, just like Earth. If you were standing on one of the planets, the Trappist-1a star would appear very large and orange in the sky, and other planets may even be as big as the Moon. It's important to keep the tiny size of this solar system in perspective. If the Trappist-1 planets joined our solar system and kept their orbital distances, all 7 of them would easily fit inside the orbit of Mercury. The close proximity to their star could lead to harmful amounts of radiation reaching the surface of the planets. Trappist-1a is an ordinary star, but the world surrounding it may be anything but.